back, everybody. We decided we would do it again this week. Create, cook, and talk. Cooking with kids. We're going to do barbecue pizza. But we wanted to talk about, this is my daughter Kaylee. Say hi.
Hello.
And many of you will notice that this week Kaylee is in a sling because last week, maybe many of you noticed, like she wasn't as jovial as she normally is in our videos, but she had hurt her arm doing Zumba online with a YouTube video. And I wanted to mention this to you all because we had to take her to the doctor, get x-rays and get all this stuff, and now she's in a sling for several weeks. But my point to telling you all this is because we have to be careful with our kids if they're doing exercises watching online because they don't necessarily know the proper form. And like I said, now we're in a sling for the next couple of weeks. So moving on to what we're gonna do today with a couple of hands is our friend. His nickname is the Colonel. He is a retired military guy. He asked us to make a pizza. Now we had asked for you guys to send in recipes, but he said, he mentioned pizza, so I thought, hey, how about if we show you all how to barbecue a pizza? So we thought we would put a little twist on cooking pizza and barbecue it for you, as opposed to cooking it in the oven, which we all know how to do. And we can also involve Daddy because he's the grill master in our house. Mm-hmm. So, right, Kaylee? So Kaylee, what are the ingredients today? What do we have? Okay, you're gonna put on a few black olives, right? How many do you want? Thank you. Let's spread that out a little bit. Okay, what about, Daddy, do you want spinach?
Yes or no?
No, thank you.
Okay, Kaylee, you want spinach?
No, thank you.
All right, well, I want spinach. Can this be my piece then?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay, now, we've got our pizza set up with our extra toppings. Now, what are we gonna do, okay?
And my dad is gonna put
it on the
grill.
But first, what do we have to do?
But first, we have to
use a
pie
muffin tin. And this isn't a wonderful muffin tin, but we use it for this only. So let me put it here.
But you have to be careful when you cook on the
grill. That's why we're using Daddy, right? Because Daddy's the grill master?
Yeah, because I don't want you to burn your hand.
Right, we want to
burn your arm, like.
We want to be safe.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so.
Hi, this is my dad, and my dad asked you, Dad, why do you have to use a muffin pan?
That's a great question. She's asking me, why do we use a muffin tin to put the pizza on to cook it onto the grill? So as you guys can plainly see, we've gone from the kitchen to the grill. Say hello, grill. Grill says hi. So we're heating it up, and I'm not using any gloves yet because it's still cool. Temperature's not an issue yet. So we put it on this muffin tin and place it onto the grill because the muffin tin has these little spaces in them. And instead of this pizza being right on the hot surface, it sits on this muffin tin, which allows the heat to store in these little cavities. And it allows the pizza to cook more evenly, so it won't burn the bottom of the pizza. So you get a really nice, very flavorful, you can scooch next to me, pretend like you love me, because she does love me. You get a very nice, flavorful pizza. One of the cool things about cooking on a grill, you don't know it because you're at home, but when you do it, you can smell everything. It has a wonderful aroma to it. So I love doing it. It's very simple, it's very easy. It's a way for Daddy to do a lot of the cooking. I know in some households, daddies don't do a lot of cooking. I hate to say it, in our household, my wife does the majority of the cooking because she's the best, and you know, that's the way that goes. But the point is, this is a way for everybody to kind of be involved in preparing a meal, especially during these crazy times. So the important thing is that we're not burning the pizza. It's perfectly safe. And when I go to take it off the grill, I'm going to use the good old sturdy mittens so I don't burn myself. And it's real easy to take off the grill. At that point, you would just grab it by the edge and lift it off. Very simple. But it's going to cook The temperature, each time I raise the lid, the temperature does decrease, so we're gonna let it store up here and get a little hotter. But it doesn't take very long, man. It takes about 10 minutes, and then you've got a great pizza, and everybody's happy because who doesn't love pizza?
So as you can see, we have the finished product. It's been cooked on the barbecue. This pan is not hot because we transferred it from the muffin pan to this pan so we could cut it. But we also wanted to use this time to say to you all, hey, if you enjoy this, if you think it's fun, we kind of think it's fun as a family to do it, but we're doing it kind of to also entertain you guys a little bit. So if you like it, please let us know. Also, let us know what you might like to cook or what we should cook for you. And of course, it has to be ingredients that we can obtain or that are in our house, and that's what we want you guys to do as well. So please send us a message, let us know, send us a comment, a video, etc.
And
Encourage learning while creating yum.
Yum.
Creating yum, huh? Is this yummy?
Yeah.
Is this your lunch today?
Yes.
All right.
So, hope so you will do this at home. If you're living at home, you may do this with your family.
Yeah, you can
And
do it
I will talk to you really soon. Have a nice day. Bye.
All right, bye guys. Have a good one.